Wood debugger has 4 feet and 8 feet. Max diameter can be 700 mm. Using wolf roller easily remove wood bark. Can add wood crusher to smash wood bark. Veneer peeling machine use CNC screen. Conveniently adjust the data. Veneer width can be 40 mm to 3000 mm. The thickness range can be 0.1 mm to 10 mm. Double driving structure, big motor power, strong and solid bottom plate, accurate feeding screw. All these details make sure our veneer peeling machine is strong to peel hardwood and veneer thickness very accurately and balanced. Veneer stacker can automatic sorting wood veneer. Save 2 labors. Knife grinder length can be 1400 mm to 3200 mm. Magnetic clamp knife, high efficiency.